Hi queens and kings, welcome to the channel. Dima is my name, and on this channel I share lots of natural hair growth DIY contents to improve your hair growth, thickness and health. Please, before you continue watching, kindly subscribe by tapping that red button on your interface. Also, tap on the bell icon to always notify you on our future uploads, and please share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching it. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. In today's video, I share a quick fix for dandruff, scalp infection, hair growth, baldness, split ends, shedding and breakage, with just two simple ingredients that you can get in your kitchen. Anyone can basically do this because it's so simple and easy to make. To begin, mint leaves are my first ingredient. So grab about 4 to 5 stalks of mint leaves and then plug the leaves in your mortar or blender like I'm doing right now. The reason for this is because we are going to be pounding the leaves, or if you can blend yours, use your blender to blend yours. Mint leaves are rich in menthol. Mint helps hair growth because of its ability to stimulate increased blood flow to the scalp and hair roots, which promotes healthy hair follicles and longer, fuller hair. Mint is rich in natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which treats many scalp issues, especially dandruff. It prevents growth of any unwanted bacteria or infection as well on the scalp. Mint helps in reducing hair fall and hence promotes hair growth. It helps in reducing breakage and gives a natural shine to hair. Mint can be found everywhere around the world. You can ask your local florist for mint leaves. You can also purchase mint leaves in your local markets. You can also purchase mint leaves in your vegetable market, garden, basically everywhere. Mint can be found everywhere. I'm saying this for those of you that may be asking me where they can purchase fresh mint leaves. And in case you don't have fresh mint leaves, go ahead and use the powder, or you can as well use the essential oil. What I'm doing in this clip that you're watching right now is to basically pound the mint leaves into a smooth paste, and after that I transferred into my bowl. Always make sure that all the apparatus used for your DIYs are well sterilized. After pounding the mint leaves until smooth, transfer that into your bowl. I scraped all of mine into my bowl, and next boil some hot water to 100 degrees Celsius and then pour the hot water in it. For the proportion, I poured about 100 ml worth of hot water into the bowl and then stirred to combine all the ingredients. Stir and allow this to sit for 5 to 10 minutes before you sieve. For the sieving process, I made use of a strainer, extra bowl and a cheesecloth to collect my hairspray. Now, the work of the cheesecloth is to trap all the particles that comes with the pounded mint leaves. You don't want this in your hair, so go ahead and strain this and next transfer into your spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can improvise by using any of your body spray bottles. Wash them thoroughly and sterilize, then use it for your hairsprays. Now, after transferring that, I'll cover that up and then add my final ingredient, which is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Fungus is what causes dandruff. ACV contains malic acid, which is what helps to keep the pH level of the scalp balanced. Dandruff is a build-up on the scalp that happens when too much yeast is present on oily areas of the skin. Using a mix of ACV will help to avoid this build-up on the scalp called dandruff, which in turn enhances extreme hair growth. For the proportion, I added 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar into the spray bottle and then shook, and this mix is ready. Here is me trying to demonstrate how this should be used. Some beauty products are best straight from the department store counter. Others, though, are better from your kitchen counter. It's true, many of the ingredients you need to whip up effective, luxurious hair care are right in front of you. Take advantage of them and use it to benefit your hair. In my opinion, you need not break a bank to achieve a healthy hair. For the application, this is perfect for use in protective styles. That doesn't mean that you won't use this on your loose hair. You can actually use this on your loose hair, but it's perfect for protective style. Right now I'm wearing cornrows. I love to use this on my scalp and also my hair. It's not bad to use on your hair, especially when you will wash this out, because this is a rinse out treatment. You have to rinse this out after application. So I use this to saturate my scalp and then cover my hair with a heat cap. You can also use plastic cap or glossary bags. Cover up your hair for 30 minutes to an hour, and after which you go and rinse off. You can as well use this on loose hair on your wash days. Apply this after shampooing. Use this to saturate your hair, cover up your hair, and then after 30 minutes to an hour, proceed to rinsing this off. This treatment helps balance the pH of your scalp and hair, which is amazing. It also helps awaken dormant hair follicles, which enhances hair growth and thickness. Please, you're not to store this treatment. You're to make as you would use per time or per wash day. Do not store this treatment. It can be stored because it will go bad really fast. If you use this consistently, you'll be amazed at your results because it works well in helping grow out your hair and thicken your hair, because it clears your scalp where your hair grows out from. Please take note, this treatment can be used once a month, once in 2 weeks, once every week, depending on how you wash your hair, how frequently you wash your hair, because many of us have different times we wash our hair. Like me, I can wash my hair once every 2 weeks. That brings me to the end of today's video. Please, if you have more questions for me, kindly drop it in the comment section. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Also, if you watched up to this point, kindly comment hi for me in the comment section below and I'll definitely reply. Please stay safe out there. Thank you and I'll see you soon.